Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to rename tabs and labels in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you want to customize your Salesforce interface to match your company's terminology, making it more intuitive for your team to navigate and use daily to get started. Look at the top right corner of your Salesforce screen and click the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to all the administrative settings and customization options available in Salesforce. Once you click it, a menu will appear with various options. From that menu, select Setup. This takes you to the main administration area where you can manage everything from user permissions to interface customizations. The setup area might look overwhelming at first, but we'll navigate it step by step. Now, in the Quick Find box on the left side of the screen, type Rename Tabs and Labels. The Quick Find feature is a search tool that helps you quickly locate specific settings without having to browse through multiple menus. As you type, you'll see results appear below. Click on Rename Tabs and Labels under the User Interface section. This is where Salesforce allows you to customize the terminology used throughout your org, making it align better with how your business operates. Once you're in, you'll see a language selector at the top. If you need to rename tabs and labels for a specific language, select your language from the Select Language dropdown. This is particularly helpful if your organization operates in multiple languages and you need consistent terminology across all of them. Next, find the tab you want to rename from the list displayed on the page. For example, if you want to rename accounts, locate it in the list and click Edit next to it. This opens up the customization interface for that specific tab. Here's where you'll make your changes. Enter your new singular label in the first field. For instance, if you want to change account to company, type company here. Then in the plural label field, enter the plural version, such as companies. These labels will appear throughout Salesforce wherever this object is referenced. You'll also notice a checkbox that says starts with a vowel sound. If your new label doesn't start with a vowel sound, make sure to uncheck this box. This affects how Salesforce displays articles like a or and before your label in various places throughout the interface. After you've entered your labels and adjusted the vowel setting, click Next. This takes you to the next screen where you can rename related fields and other user interface elements associated with this tab. On this screen, you can update individual field labels to match your new terminology. For example, if you renamed accounts to companies, you might want to change account name to company name. Go through the list and update any field labels that need to reflect your new naming convention. This ensures consistency across your entire Salesforce interface. Once you've made all your desired changes, click Save at the bottom of the page. Salesforce will process your changes, which may take a moment depending on how many modifications you've made. After saving, refresh your browser to verify that all the changes have taken effect. You should now see your new custom labels appearing throughout your Salesforce org wherever those tabs and fields are displayed. If at any point you want to undo your changes and return to the original Salesforce labels, simply return to Rename Tabs and Labels in Setup. Find the tab you modified and click Reset next to it. Salesforce will ask you to confirm that you want to revert to the original names. Once confirmed, all your custom labels for that tab will be removed and the default Salesforce terminology will be restored. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Salesforce tabs and labels to match your business terminology. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.